with time. This is how this migrainous people with time with age, the blood vessels are also not that strong and they may have it. Some strokes they may start with headache because blood vessels are supplied by nerves. So when there is any problem with those blood vessels, pain starts. Okay? Especially patients who have this hemorrhagic stroke in which the blood vessels rupture, they usually present with headache. They have a headache. Patients with subarachnoid hemorrhage, okay, their blood vessels rupture, they present with headache and
so headache is also one of the
presenting features. But usual headache, it's mostly migrainous headache. You should not be worried for stroke. But I think you should not isolately think that you are having headache. Oh, tomorrow will have stroke. I should take aspirin today. It won't help.
Epilepsy is somewhat related to the stroke. Epileptic patients.
Patients with stroke, epilepsy is a condition in which you have this sudden abnormal movement disorder. Okay, like there's a tonic. The most common type is called the GTCS, or the generalized tonic-clonic seizure, in which the whole body starts moving. In films you have seen most and it may or may not be associated with stroke. A post-stroke, what happens? It arises from the superficial part of the brain. There was a slide in which the brain was depicted. The superficial part of the brain is called the brain cortex. So any irritation from the brain cortex results in epilepsy. In stroke, the brain cortex as well as the subcortex, they are impaired. The blood supply gets jeopardized and the area is not working. And there is some scarring, like what in after cut to get scarring, in brain it is called gliosis. So we have a gliosis, post-stroke gliosis. These regions may suddenly may be activated and may produce excitement, spark, and may produce epilepsy. Those are called post-stroke epilepsy.
We have a pituitary gland in the brain. Like the other gland, like the thyroid gland, we also have a pancreas. So if they, suppress, some, is not able to, produce the, chemical in the body. We have a thyroid, we also have a diabetes. What is it in case the pituitary gland is, is staying or is not generating the chemical, whatever it is, what is the effect that we have in the brain?
Pituitary gland means if it is hypoactive.
Yes.
If suppose like it's the master gland, pituitary is called the master gland. The other glands of the body like this thyroid gland, okay, like the adrenal gland, okay, like the calcium metabolism hormone, like procalcitonin, okay. So they have a control over this.
That controls all this.
These controls all this. Like the sex steroids also. So it's controlled by, it's the master gland.